This is a video of 4 cats on YouTube. Salem's watching it and she's very interested in these crazy birds. She's been looking around the room for them. Look at her, look at her, look. She's like, what the heck is that? What'd you say? Looking for birds. Look at her. She's like, where'd them birds go?
I can hear them.
They're here somewhere, she says. Look at her looking for the birds. Salem, where the birds? She looked down like, I don't know. Go away, squirrel. She will like you.
No.
She ain't worried about that squirrel. She's like, you ain't really here. Where's the birds? Salem, where's that? Get it, Salem. They just looked at you. What's Salem? Go on, squirrel. Salem, where's the bird? There's a bird. Right there. There's a bird. Where'd it go? She jumped a little there. Where'd the birds? What'd you say? What'd you say?